So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to change your limits of your PayPal account. So for that guys, first of all you will need to open your PayPal account on your computer, and then you guys will need to get on the top right corner, and here you guys will need to select your name and then select account settings. Now guys, you just need to see this option right here called limits. Now select its view button. So guys, these limits are here, your current limits, and if you want to change your limits then select this button right here called lift limits. Now you guys will need a bank account to change your limits of your PayPal account. So for that you just need to enter your IFSC code, account number and select one of these options, and then you guys just need to select on this link your bank button right here, and then you guys will be able to change your limits of your PayPal account. So that's how you guys can do it, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.